The Chilka Lake region lies in between the deltas of Ansar C, Mahanadi and Godavari. River Damodar is called Sorrow of Bengal because it, Ansar A, gets flooded often causing havoc. Shok is a tributary of Ansar B, Indus. In the decreasing order of the length of the river, the correct sequence is Answer A, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Narmada. Which of the following is true with regard to the characteristic of the Himalayan rivers? Answer B, first, second and third. Many of them have their sources in the inner Himalayas. They have a peninsular flow. They have a great capacity for erosion. Match the following river origin. Answer A, Indus, Tibet. Ganga, Uttarakhand. Godavari, Maharashtra. Narmada, Madhya Pradesh. Teesta form a part of which major river system? Answer D, Brahmaputra. By what name is the Ganga known as Bangladesh? Answer A, Padma. Which of the following is false? Answer B, Godavari serves Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following peninsular rivers is westward flowing? Answer C, Tapti. Which of the following rivers is known as Vridha Ganga? Answer A, Godavari. Match the following. Answer A second, B first, C fourth, D third. Most of the rivers flowing westward from the Western Ghat do not form deltas because answer A, of the high gradient. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Answer D, first, second and third. Which of the following are the features of the Himalayan rivers? Answer D, first, second and third. Given here are 4 places situated on the banks of the Narmada. In which order do these places occur from the sources of the river to its mouth? Answer A, third, second, first and fourth. Which of the following giving are correctly descending order by length of the rivers of India? Answer C, Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Yamuna. The Himalayan rivers are answer B, snow fed. By which name does the Brahmaputra enter into India? Answer C, Dalhang. The Tibetan river Saimpo enters India through the state of answer A, Arunachal Pradesh. Near the lake Mansoar is Tibet. The river which has its source is R. Answer D, all of these. Which of the following is an inland draining area? Answer D, Run of Kutch. Which of the following rivers flow through Maharashtra and Gujarat? Answer D. Tapti. The river basin which is called River of India is answer A. Damodar. Which of the following is the longest river in India? Answer A. Ganga. The longest river of peninsular India is answer B. Godavari. Which of the following rivers meet Ganga in Bihar? Answer D. First, second, third and fourth. The highest waterfall in India is answer B. Sivasundaram. In which state is Jog Falls located? Answer B. Karnataka. The Sivasundaram Falls is on answer A. Kaveri. The Bakar Nagla multi-purpose project is a joint venture of answer B. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan only. The correct sequence of the eastward flowing rivers of the peninsular India from north to south is answer A. Wular Lake of Kashmir is a answer C. Lake formed by Terminal Morainic Dam. The second largest river basin in India is of the river answer D. Godavari. The second largest basin in peninsular India is answer D. Krishna Basin. Which of the following rivers excited before the uplift of the Himalaya? Answer C. A, B and C. Which of the following is a correct sequence of rivers in terms of their total basin? Answer C. Brahmaputra, Indus, Ganga, Godavari. Which of the following lakes were formed by volcanic activities? Answer C. A, C and D. Match the following. Answer A. A third, B fifth, C fourth, D first. What is the correct sequence of the rivers Godavari, Mahanadi, Narmada and Tapi in the descending order of their length? Answer B. Godavari, Narmada, Mahanadi, Tapi. Arrange the following rivers from south to north. Answer D. First, second, third and fourth. Arrange the following rivers in descending order of their length. Answer C. Fourth, third, second and first. Lake Sambar is nearest to which one of the following cities of Rajasthan? Answer B. Jaipur. Canal irrigation is most important in the northern plains of India because answer C. The source of canals are peninsular rivers. Which one of the following is flowing rivers of India from Rift Valley due to down warping? Answer A. Damodar. Hinterland refers to answer C. Land region extending from a seaport. The port specially developed for exporting iron ore to Japan is answer C. Paradeep. Which one of the following is the first company managed major port in India? Answer B. In Noor.